fun! Can we run faster? Slow down a little. We have all day.
Look at all the beautiful flowers. Careful now, slow down a little.
He's just enjoying the fresh air. Wow, look at them! They're everywhere!
They look so soft, don't they?
The sun is shining, the birds are singing. I love riding my bike all day.
Here are those tomatoes for you.
Thank you kindly.
Look at these beautiful apples! They look so fresh! Wow, look at the parrot! It's so colorful! These carrots look perfect for the stew tonight. How much are they?
They're very fresh, just pulled this morning.
I'll give you a good price.
I carved this one myself this morning.
It is beautiful work.
Thank you. Look at these berries, they're perfect.
And the freshest vegetables I could find. This bread smells amazing.